I'd say that's a lot of condensation. Man, just all down here. It's an awful lot of moisture in the basement.
It's dropping, but we still probably have about 3 feet left, and it's amazing what that water can do. We estimated there's probably about 75,000 gallons of water in this basement, and it'll take all day to pump out.
Doctors say they were poisoned and something behind the walls of their brand new home was to blame. Fox 5's Tisha Thompson investigates.
The Ming family spent nearly $1 million to build what they thought would be their dream house. But less than 2 months after moving in, Wendy Ming started to have such severe migraines and dizziness, she ended up in the hospital.
Thought I had a brain tumor or adrenal gland cancer. There were many different things. They tested everything because they could see that I was so sick, but they couldn't figure out why.
Her younger daughter started having uncontrollable nosebleeds while the rest of the family developed asthma. Doctors finally diagnosed Wendy with neurotoxicity. The Mings say her body was full of poison caused by a lethal combination of microscopic mold growing behind the walls of their home.